credential mission school at Ngahui. Asi school compound. This is my first time to visit Ngahui Credential Mission School. So right now I'm at Ngahui. I think the place is not bad. I think the school remained closed because of summer vacation. Very nice compound. No single person around here. If you need wisdom, ask your generous God, and He will give it to you. James chapter 1 verse 5. Work hard, stay disciplined, and be patient. Your time will come. Okay, let's go. Let's continue the journey. Phong ra le je ni le tang. Thora ra shwa le he. Tang thora ra shwa vai lo. Lung Ngahui kopi li kiba shiu le lam tem ka. Ada kopi niang dele. Bak ka ga sang iwi am shok ta bak la tra le. Ka le. Aja bak ma se kopi kan ta tamang. This is a cabbage farm in Lunghar village. Oh, really satisfied. I think they are mostly depend on farming. Time to time they have changed the crops, vegetables. So this is very satisfying. That side also cabbage farm. So big cabbage farm. I don't know the owner, but I just want to see and I just want to show you. That's why I just came here to filming. How satisfied this? Very satisfying. And I think that more green area is carrot. I think greenery one, that is carrot. Oh, very good a very good view, very nice view. Him than and le ho chimik product sun rays than very nice view. halang halang samsai Ukhrul. Right now I'm at Longhar village, Ukhrul district, Manipur. Okay, the view is very good. View Lisao changser dele ter luim khuilaga theba serle Lisao shakchang rok dele Ngahui halain chakshi dele ko highway gongrad le ka thamchi de hili chatta krebing gari akhtare atina ga ki line hunjat ne ajina kuni kumchi chatta ne highway he ungra salala java ya reward ng chidak le ding atungli hang bai hang ga repairing no leo sashi ge khamire de shan ku lungwi now bongsang le na bongsang de government ama khrak jam ra sei thum ya waina bongsang ha mu jik jam ra nena itum re yari na ko tomga ga ya atungli hang bai hang ko ka ji si mangai na le na mang la leveling sashi ja campsite le potholes le ni kya mang la repairing sa chi ja ta kai me khare da ni dom highway ka thar kong ba lia adam krang ga chang ni le je ma hang kar ne ha ne ya ri ji sa da hang sangai de Shiri witir kui hwai kong ra ya Shiri stream. This is Shiri stream. Plenty of water is there. Oh, this is the big. This is not Shiri big, but this is also one of the big. Already mi pom da kleji. Tangpur film li apam hi mok jam len mai de. Ki film ne ka legacy ke pheshok myor ko ji ja pam hi ni ya. Chatu miya khni pom da le mobile ke kangshan mangai na wayom se So let's continue the journey. Soft me abom la ko ya. For us this is a blessing stream. Most of the Ukhrul people we are drinking this water. This vendor can come and collect water from here and supply to Ukhrul people, Ukhrul district people. I will come back to my home straight away because the sun is set. It's getting late.